Okay, July 21st. Took me a lot of effort and energy to want to make this video, but I want to do it for you guys. It was a rough day. Last month was fantastic, ton of green days. Wish I sized up sooner, but did not. July, I waited to see if I could trust my system before sizing up. And of course, whenever you size up, that's when you lose. So today was probably my worst day in 2 months because two things. I failed twice. Number one, I took 3 trades. My so-called opening range system that I back tested, I should only be taking 1. I 100% was upset, revenge traded, didn't lose much more money. I mean, it's pretty much what the loss would have been anyways. But shame on me because I did not follow the system there and kept trading. That's because probably the size is too large. And secondly, Edgeful's still in this trade. I am not because, I'll tell you right now. So Edgeful Algo entered here, and my only measured success is if I follow the exact backtest and what I have set up and believe in it. So instead of entering as soon as they entered long, I waited, I don't know, a couple seconds to see if it would go red to get a better entry. And instead it went green first. And I got a worse entry. And because of that worse entry, look how close this is. I got wicked out already, and I'm out of this trade as a loss. So that means that this backtest is not as valid because even though my entry was pretty close, but because I waited. So I really need to make sure if I'm truly trusting this that I just go for it and match whatever enter exit it says. That's why I'm hoping that automation is coming out soon, and I may just size down and just let it run to see how different it is so that I'm even out of the trades more. So the one other thing I am considering doing is separating out, like you can trade breakouts and breakdowns. And you do get better results if you take certain, directions out of it. I've always said I want more trades, but on Monday, if I take out, I can't remember, breakdowns or breakouts, it looks better. So I may do that. So that's my only hypothesis to improve is I don't want to make it more complicated, but if I further separate it out by direction, and then I'll have to separate out and have a Google sheet based on that because the backtest won't show. The backtest currently shows whatever you choose. So, but you can't separate. You can't have breakouts at a certain setting, breakdowns at a certain setting. They have to be both have to be the same. So we will see. This may be a loss for the algo as well. Let's see. It's almost there. But just want to keep you guys in the loop. This is why everyone needs to find their trading style. I'm using a negative risk to reward, meaning, as you can see, the green target, my take profit is much smaller than my stop, which hopefully means a much higher win rate, which is what I found. Even though it's 80% for this month, we're red. Overall, we're still green. But if it goes, I think I need 85% for it to work. So you have to be such a high win rate when your profits are smaller. Oh, there we go. May just happen while I'm recording. So that's my other thing. So other than potentially separating breakouts and breakdowns for backtest, I haven't been able to do it, but I may really try to work on a setup that has a win rate that's much lower. I have one other setup that's not using Edgeful. That's like a 29% win rate, but it's like a 4-to-1. Let me see. It's nuts. This is with very few contracts. But this is a setup I made using ChatGPT. Hold on. This setup here, which is a 1.468 and only 30% profitable. But it's actually profits more with less contracts because you get bigger moves. So lots to think about, guys. I appreciate you. If you like what I'm doing, subscribe. We'll talk soon. Thank you.